I have all that I need in order to succeed. I am motivated. I am powerful. Everything that I do serves my goals without affecting others. Each day, I completely trust my intuition. I am a magnet attracting abundance in my life. Fear is just a feeling. I overcome it and I move forward. I am successful in any area of my life. I am polite and respectful with any person that I meet. I am patient. I am the only one who can stop me. Everything is good right here, right now. I trust the universe that I am doing my best no matter the situation. I am open-minded and I fully take advantage of all opportunities surrounding me. I am able to do amazing things. Everything that I need comes to me at the right moment. I am powerful and present in my own life. I am more than enough. I am full-hearted. I am at ease with the uncontrollable things happening in my life. I am ready for any challenges. I focus on the good in any given situation. I am aware of my mistakes and I learn from them. I make good decisions. I feel admiration for everything surrounding me. I feel calm and relaxed in any circumstances. I am the creator of my own life. I build its foundation and I choose its content. I am filled with energy and I exude happiness. I am far superior to negative thoughts and low actions. I am blessed with infinite talents, and I use them every single day. I peacefully detach myself from negative people. I am inspired with new and good ideas. I am content with all my accomplishments. I am brave and I am kind. I am a positive person and my life is filled with prosperity. I am admired and many people acknowledge my results. I trust myself to create an amazing life. I am ambitious. I am fearless and I take risks. I accept new experiences. I am curious. I am a learner. I am grateful for my life. I am always happy around other people. I profoundly love myself. I am able to achieve great things in my life. I am comfortable being alone in my own company. My inner voice is always positive in any given situation. I can do everything I set my mind to. I completely trust myself. I am positive. I can easily say no when I need it. I am productive. I am in control of every aspect in my life. I am a hard worker. I find it easy to constantly work and to be productive. I am effective in my work. I am productive, motivated, and extremely hardworking. I create my own success. I attract abundance into my life. I always follow through on all of my plans. I am worthy of abundance in everything that I do. I wisely react to any challenge coming in my way. I believe in the power of positive thinking. I am a creator. I am important. am respected. I am filled with energy and determination. I am aware of my value, and I never let others bring me down. I am successful in all my actions. I attract long-lasting friendships into my life. My mind can make wishes come true. I am humble and always ready to learn. I forgive myself for any mistake that I made. I react with love in any given situation. I am in control with everything that I think and do. I face any challenge with courage. I am focused on the present. I am loved. My life is abundant in wealth, health, and happiness. My personality exudes confidence. I am bold and outgoing. I am well-groomed, healthy, and full of confidence. My outer self is matched by my inner well-being. I have integrity. I am totally reliable. I do what I say. I am safe, calm, and peaceful. All my deeds and thoughts are filled with love and kindness. I am organized and disciplined. I am aware of everything happening around me. I bravely enter this world filled with infinite possibilities and happiness. I am constantly learning. Wealth constantly comes into my life. I let go of poverty thinking and I embrace the abundance thinking. I am worthy. I am receptive to all the wealth life has to offer. I am the master of my existence. I am at peace with everything I do. I am able to handle massive success with grace. a strong magnet to abundance and happiness. I am extremely wealthy. I pursue all of my dreams. I am deeply grateful for the wealth that keeps coming into my life. There are no limits to the amount of wealth I can own. I become better and better with each day. I have the power to reach all my goals. I am kind, loving, and caring for those surrounding me. I am calm. I have faith in my potential. I am a true friend. I am worthy of health, positive energy, and calm.